Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Experts Fan Team. Today we will be discussing about the German Bundesliga match between Wolfsburg and Armenia. Now, Wolfsburg are currently placed on Wolfsburg are currently placed on 13th position with 4 points only. They haven't won or lost any matches till now. All four of their matches were draws, so they have collected 4 points from their 4 matches this season. Now coming to their team news, coach Glasner has to contend with a few injury headaches, but at least goalkeeper Koyan Castells has shaken off a knee injury. Maximilian Philippe has joined on loan from Dynamo Moscow and could replace Josip Brekalo, who tested positive for COVID-19. The versatile Riddle Baku will bolster the squad after joining from struggling Mainz and should make his starting debut. Joao Victor could return to the squad after overcoming uh, adductor issues, while Renato Stefan has COVID-19, but he's recovered now, so he's good to go again. Camacho's ankle problem has forced him to retire, so he's not available hereafter. Mbabu has a knee injury, while Pongragic has a glandular fever. William is still on his way back to the back from an ACL injury. So all of these players are not available for Wolfsburg. So they will be following their regular 4-5-1 formation for this match also. In goalkeeper, as I said, Castells. Kovan Castells is expected to start the match. So in goalkeeper, Castells is expected to start the match. In defensive line, Baku, Lacroix, Brooks, and Rausilon. So this is their 5-man defense actually. Castells on the goalkeeper post, Baku on right back position, Lacroix and Brooks will form centre back pairs, and Rausilon will be the left back. In midfield, Philippe is almost certain to start the match. Philippe is almost will almost start the match. Schlager, Gilaogi. Actually, it's a tough name. Actually, sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Arnold and Stefan. These These five players will control the midfield. Philip on midfield position. Schlagler and Arnold on center midfield position. Gulwaogi will play the defensive midfield position, and Stefan will play as a left midfield position. The only striker for Wolfsburg will be Weghorst. He will be the only striker. So this is Wolfsburg predicted lineup. Now coming to Armenia. Armenia is also collected 4 points from their recent matches. They have played also 4 matches in this season, in which they have won only one match, and they lost 2 other matches. Another one match was a draw. So they have also collected 4 points, but they have considered number of goals, so they are placed below Wolfsburg on the point table. So this is a good opportunity for them to lift themselves from relegation battle. If they win against Wolfsburg, they can move 1 or 2 places ahead of them in the point table. Coming to their team news. Meyer has joined on loan from Bundesliga rivals Hertha Berlin for them and could make his debut after shaking off a knee injury. If Shiplock comes on as a substitute, it will be a journeyman striker's 100 sub appearance in 154 Bundesliga games for them. Uh, Hoon has impressed at the heart of defense since his move from Swansea City. Uh, Andreas Ogsammer has a foot injury, but Brunner could return at right back. New signing Nathan De Medina has made a quick recovery from a knee injury, but it is still yet to see if he will make his debut here. Saukau suffered a muscle injury on international duty with Benin and is ruled out for them. So they will be also following again 4-1-5 formation against Wolves side. Predicting their lineup, actually Klose will be the sole striker. Edmundson, Pritel, Meyer, Harter and Doven. These 5 players will be controlling the midfield position. Edmundson on LMF position, Hartel and Doven on CMF position, Pritel on defensive midfield position, and Meyer on RMF position. In center backs, Pieper and Hoon will be the one going to start the match. Pieper and Hoon. These 2 players will form the center back pairs. Lukoki and Brunner. So this is the defensive lineup for Armenia this week. Lukoki on left back position, Vanderhoen and Pieper on center back position, and Brunner on right back position, along with Moreno protecting the goals. So this is their defensive lineup. Now coming to the match prediction, both these teams are really struggling for a win here. Wolfsburg haven't lost any matches, so we think that the home team is expected to get a narrow victory over the visitors. We predict a 1-0 or a 2-1 victory here. There is chances for clean sheet, so we will be picking 4 defenders here: Baku, Lacroix, Brooks and Rousilon, supported by Weghorst and Philip, along with Arnold. Now if you are willing to take risk, you can drop one defender. You can drop Rousilon and pick Guilaugi in place of him. Otherwise, these are the 7 players we will be selecting from Wolfsburg side. Now coming to the Armenia side, Klose, Doven and Hartel. These players are must pick. Our goalkeeper will be Moreno, who will be playing for Armenia. So this is our model team. Now for a captain and vice captain selection, most people will be selecting Phillips or Weghorst as captain and vice captain. So we think that we will be picking Phillips as our captain and Weghorst as our vice captain. You can choose an alternate option also. You can pick Klose as well as Arnold as your vice captain. So this is our predicted demo team for today's German Bundesliga match between Wolfsburg and Armenia. This is our demo team. For latest news and tips, you can subscribe our channel. We will be regularly posting Dream 11 related content, so make sure you subscribed our channel. For prime teams and GL tips, you can contact our telegram, you can contact us through our telegram channel, or you can download prime application from our website. All the links were given below. Hope you all of you are winning regularly. Thank you very much.